Welcome back to Smart Gadget Reviews. Today, we're checking out the top 13 best electric toothbrushes that can seriously improve your daily oral care routine while making brushing easier, smarter, and more effective. From advanced sonic cleaning technology to AI-powered brushing guidance and kid-friendly designs, these toothbrushes offer impressive features for every lifestyle and budget. Whether you want deeper cleaning, healthier gums, or brighter teeth, this list has something worth considering. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell today. Sonicare Electric Toothbrush. Sonicare Electric Toothbrush is one of my favorite daily oral care tools because it delivers powerful sonic cleaning with a gentle touch on gums. I like how it reaches deep between teeth, removing plaque more effectively than manual brushing. It offers multiple modes, including clean, sensitive, and gum care, so I can adjust depending on my needs. The battery life is strong and lasts up to 2 weeks, which is very convenient for travel. The handle feels comfortable and easy to grip during brushing sessions. I also appreciate the smart timer that guides me to brush evenly across all areas. After consistent use, my teeth feel smoother and look cleaner. Reliable choice for dentist-level cleaning and long-term oral hygiene results home. ProWhite Sonic Toothbrush. ProWhite Sonic Toothbrush is designed for users who want a brighter, cleaner smile with everyday use. I like its strong sonic vibrations that help remove surface stains effectively while still being gentle on sensitive gums. It includes multiple cleaning modes, such as whitening, daily clean, and sensitive care, making it flexible for different oral needs. The handle feels ergonomic and comfortable, giving me better control while brushing. Battery performance is reliable and lasts several days on a single charge. I also appreciate the built-in pressure sensor that alerts me if I brush too hard, helping protect my gums. After regular use, my teeth appear noticeably whiter and smoother. Ideal for stain removal, gum protection, and consistent oral hygiene improvement with simple, powerful daily brushing results.
iOClean Smart Toothbrush. iOClean Smart Toothbrush brings smart technology into daily oral care in a simple and effective way. I like how it tracks brushing habits and gives real-time feedback to improve technique. It features multiple modes, including deep clean, sensitive, and gum care, allowing me to customize my routine. The vibration power feels balanced, strong enough for cleaning, but still gentle on gums. The design is modern and lightweight, making it comfortable to hold. Battery life lasts several days and charges quickly with a magnetic system. I also appreciate the smart timer that ensures even brushing across all areas. After consistent use, my mouth feels fresher and teeth look cleaner. Perfect for users who want smart guidance, better habits, and reliable everyday cleaning performance in one device. VitalGlow Electric Toothbrush. VitalGlow Electric Toothbrush is built for users who want a refreshing and effective cleaning experience every day. I like how it combines strong vibrations with gentle gum protection, making it suitable for sensitive users. It offers different cleaning modes such as standard, soft, and deep clean, giving flexibility based on oral needs. The handle feels lightweight and easy to control during brushing. Battery life is dependable and lasts several days on a single charge. I also appreciate the built-in timer that encourages proper brushing duration and better habits. After regular use, my teeth feel smoother and breath stays fresher throughout the day. Great option for balanced performance, comfort, and improved oral hygiene results with simple, reliable everyday use and consistent cleaning support for long-term dental care.
CrossClean Power Toothbrush delivers deep and powerful cleaning with its cross-action bristle design. I like how it reaches between teeth more effectively than standard brushes, helping remove stubborn plaque. The vibration power is strong but still comfortable on gums, making it suitable for daily use. It includes multiple brushing modes such as sensitive, whitening, and intense clean, allowing customization based on needs. The handle feels sturdy and well-balanced, giving good control during brushing. Battery life is long-lasting and works well for travel or home use. I also appreciate the built-in timer that helps maintain proper brushing duration across all areas of the mouth. After consistent use, my teeth feel cleaner and fresher throughout the day. Ideal for strong plaque removal, reliable performance, and easy daily oral care with improved gum health results. CosmicSonic Power Toothbrush offers advanced sonic cleaning with strong yet comfortable vibrations. I like how it effectively removes plaque while still being gentle on sensitive gums. It includes multiple cleaning modes such as deep clean, sensitive, and whitening, giving flexibility for different needs. The design feels modern and premium, making it comfortable to hold during brushing. Battery life is strong and lasts several days on a single charge. I also appreciate the smart timer that helps maintain proper brushing duration across all areas of the mouth. After regular use, my teeth feel smoother and breath stays fresher throughout the day. Excellent choice for users who want powerful cleaning, comfort, and smart features combined in one device for improved daily oral hygiene and long-term dental care support. Barbie Kids Power Toothbrush. Number 7 Barbie Kids Power Toothbrush is designed to make brushing fun and engaging for children. I like its colorful design and comfortable grip that fits small hands easily. The gentle vibrations are safe for kids' sensitive teeth and gums while still providing effective cleaning. It includes a built-in timer that helps children brush for the correct duration, building good habits early. The soft bristles ensure comfort during use without irritation. Battery life is suitable for daily brushing, and easy charging makes it convenient for parents. I also notice kids enjoy using it more than manual brushes, which encourages consistent oral hygiene habits. Great choice for parents who want fun, safe, and effective brushing that supports healthy dental habits and long-term oral care improvement for children every day. ProExpert Power Toothbrush. ProExpert Power Toothbrush delivers a professional-level cleaning experience at home. I like its strong vibration system that effectively removes plaque while still protecting gums. It includes multiple cleaning modes such as deep clean, whitening, and sensitive care, giving flexibility for different users. The handle feels solid and ergonomic, making it easy to control during brushing sessions. Battery performance is reliable and lasts several days on a single charge. I also appreciate the smart pressure sensor that prevents brushing too hard, protecting gum health. The built-in timer ensures proper brushing time for consistent results. After regular use, my teeth feel noticeably cleaner and smoother. Ideal for users who want advanced cleaning, durability, comfort, and smart features combined for better oral hygiene and long-term dental health improvement every day. Perfora Pro Sonic Toothbrush. Perfora Pro Sonic Toothbrush combines modern design with effective sonic cleaning performance. I like how it provides multiple cleaning modes, such as whitening, gum care, and deep clean, making it suitable for different oral needs. The vibration strength feels balanced, strong enough for cleaning, but gentle on gums. The handle is lightweight and comfortable, improving control during brushing. Battery life is solid and lasts several days without frequent charging. I also appreciate the built-in timer that ensures proper brushing duration for better oral hygiene. After consistent use, my teeth feel cleaner and mouth stays fresher throughout the day. Great option for users who want modern design, strong cleaning performance, and simple daily use combined in one effective oral care device for long-term dental health improvement. NeoSonic Clean Toothbrush. NeoSonic Clean Toothbrush delivers powerful sonic cleaning with a smooth and comfortable brushing experience. I like how it effectively removes plaque while staying gentle on sensitive gums. It offers multiple cleaning modes, such as sensitive, whitening, and deep clean, allowing customization based on needs. The handle design is sleek and easy to grip, making brushing more controlled and comfortable. Battery life is reliable and lasts several days on a single charge. I also appreciate the built-in timer that helps maintain proper brushing duration for better oral hygiene. After regular use, my teeth feel cleaner and breath stays fresher throughout the day. Excellent choice for users who want modern design, strong cleaning performance, and simple daily use combined in one effective oral care device for long-term dental health improvement.
i09 Smart Clean Toothbrush. This offers advanced smart features combined with powerful cleaning performance. I really like its intelligent brushing feedback system that helps improve my technique in real time. It includes multiple cleaning modes such as deep clean, whitening, and sensitive care. The vibration system feels strong yet controlled, ensuring effective plaque removal without discomfort. The handle is ergonomically designed for comfortable grip. Battery performance is excellent and supports long usage between charges. I also appreciate the smart pressure sensor that protects gums from excessive force. After regular use, I notice cleaner teeth and improved freshness. The timer ensures consistent brushing habits every day. Perfect for users who want smart technology, strong performance, and professional-level oral care at home with long-term dental health support and improved brushing accuracy. Number 12. i09 AI Sonic Toothbrush. This toothbrush takes oral care to the next level with artificial intelligence guidance. I find its AI tracking feature extremely helpful in improving brushing accuracy and coverage. It offers multiple cleaning modes, including whitening, gum care, and deep clean. The sonic vibrations are powerful yet smooth, making it comfortable for daily use. The handle feels premium and well-balanced in hand. Battery life is strong and supports extended use without frequent charging. I also like how Smart App integration provides feedback and brushing insights. After consistent use, my teeth feel noticeably cleaner and healthier. The pressure sensor ensures gum safety while maintaining effective cleaning. Ideal for users who want advanced AI-driven oral care, smart tracking, and highly efficient brushing experience for improved long-term dental health results.
OralCare sensitive brush heads are designed for users with sensitive teeth and gums who still want effective cleaning. I like how soft yet efficient the bristles feel during use. They gently remove plaque without causing irritation, making them ideal for daily brushing. The design fits most electric toothbrush handles, offering wide compatibility. I also notice they provide a smooth brushing experience while still reaching difficult areas between teeth. These brush heads are easy to replace, making maintenance simple and convenient. After regular use, my gums feel healthier and less sensitive. Great for people who struggle with discomfort from harder bristles and still want effective oral hygiene. Perfect choice for gentle protection, improved gum care, and consistent cleaning performance, supporting long-term dental health and daily comfort during brushing routines.
That wraps up our list of the top 13 best electric toothbrushes available right now for smarter and healthier daily oral care. Whether you want advanced AI features, powerful sonic cleaning, or kid-friendly designs, there's definitely a toothbrush here that can fit your lifestyle and budget. I hope this guide helped you discover the perfect option for upgrading your brushing routine and improving your overall dental health. Before we wrap up, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews.